Hey guys, I'm Raj. In this video, I'm going to talk about HTML. So, HTML is a hypertext markup language. First of all, it is not a programming language. It's a markup language for creating a web pages, and it's a basic building blocks for the web pages. And in HTML, everything is a text. And for example, this is a basic building block of the web pages. So we have a HTML text inside HTML tag having a two important the tag is which is a head tag and the body tag. Inside head tag we have a title tag. Head tag define the properties of the particular web pages, and inside body tag there is a lot of tags which is visible to the user side. And then for example, I'm creating a, no, a new HTML5. So I'm using the code editor, which is a VS Code, which I have mentioned down below the video link. And you can download it very easily and install it. So I'm creating a new file. Let's say my file name is index.html. HTML for writing HTML documents. And now there is an angular bracket and the exclamation mark doc type HTML. It means I'm using HTML5 and the document type is HTML. And then I'll write HTML the tags, and inside HTML tag it has two basic blocks. The basic the tags is head tags and the body tags. And inside head tags there is another tag which is title tag. Title tags, let's say my title is HTML docs, and then body tags. So save, and we can run the HTML documents. So the HTML documents, which is a title, this which is a title is defined here. And first of all, I'll show you how we can write comments in HTML documents. So there's a angular bracket and then exclamation mark, then hyphen, and which is this is a syntax for writing a commands. So I'm implementing the heading in HTML heading tags. So first of all, there's a H1 heading, HEAD heading H1, which is the largest heading. It's up to the H6. H6 is the smallest heading. H2 heading, H2, save, and then refresh, which we have heading 1, which is largest. H2 is a little bit smaller than H1. So we'll copy. Then we have H3 tag, H4 heading, H4, H5, then H6, which is smallest. Save, and then this is all about heading tag in HTML documents. Then I'll show you how we can implement the paragraph. So I'm writing a comment paragraph tag. So for creating a paragraph, there is a tag is p tag. Inside p tag will pass the content. For example, this is paragraph. This is a paragraph. So copy and save. So this is a paragraph, and for example, I'm writing another paragraph p tag, and then loreplipsum. Loreplipsum is a random text. So this is a random text. For example, I can create another new paragraph and the loreplipsum and the save, and which is another paragraph. Okay. Okay, all right. So then we'll implement the link part. So how we can implement the link? So HTML links. For creating HTML links, there is an anchor tag, which is a tag. Inside a tag, we have attributes, HTML attributes, which is a href, and we'll pass the link https colon / google.com, and we'll pass the contain. Click here, save, and refresh. Oh, sorry, I think ignore it. Uh, then refresh. So there is a link. I just click here, so it will go through the google.com. Now we want to prevent the web pages, like we need to, there is another tag HTML attributes. So there is a target attribute, and we'll pass underscore blank. So it will open a new window. So click here, so it open a new window and website it is here. Then I'll show you how we can create a list. So there is a two type of list in HTML. First one is an unordered list. For creating an unordered list, so there is a tag h1 tag, ul tag. So inside ul there is a li tag for list elements. So list item 1, then copy paste list item 2, 3, 4, list item 2, 3, and then 4. This is another list, so refresh, and so it is created another list. And for creating an order list, so there is a tag ol and inside li for list element list item 1, copy, sorry, and then paste. So this is the list element 2, 3, and then 4, copy and refresh. So this is a unordered list and this is a order list. So all right, now I'm going to talk, I'll show you uh, the form part, how we can create a form. So HTML forms. So for creating HTML forms, there is a tag form tag having attributes actions, and I have created under the div element, which is a division. Inside division there is a label which is name, and then input input tag input type is equal to text, and then save, and there is a, let's say, save and then paste. So there is a label and with respect to its input tag, so copy, and now creating a input tag for the email. So copy and paste, and label is email, type is equal to email. Same, I'm creating another input tag for the password. So password, sorry, and type is equal to password. Save and refresh. So this is all about. Now I can br tag we use for the line break. So there is a space line break, and same here I can create a submit button. For creating a submit button, uh, there is an input type is equal to submit, and then save and refresh. So there is a submit button. Okay, so now I'll show you how to create a button in HTML. So for creating button text, there is a button button tag. Inside button tag will pass the content about the button. This is HTML button. Save and then refresh. So this is the HTML button. So I'll write BR tag for line break. So there will be a space. Now I'm writing BR tag for the line break. So there will be a space. Okay. So now there is another BR tag, and then I'll show you how we can implement a table in HTML. So for creating a table in HTML, there is a tag table tag. Just a minute. Yeah, table tag. Inside table tag, we have a T head for creating a table head, and then we have a table row. Inside row, let's say I have two columns. TD define the table column name, and TD the age. So like then we have a table body T body, and inside T body we have a row, and inside row we have a two columns. Let's say my name is Raj, and the age which is 23, and same copy and then paste Allen, and the age is let's say age is 25, and then save. So this is a table having a two column inside a row, name and age and its table body. Okay, if for there is a border part, let's say I have a border width is equal to 1. Okay, and there's BR tag for line break. So okay, now I'll show you how we can implement the images. So HTML images BR tag, sorry, BR tag, BR tag. So for creating HTML images, so there is an image tag inside. We have a attributes src. Inside the attributes will pass the URL or the images path. So I have copied the random image path and will pass it here, and this is a alt tag, means if the image is not found, the content will show here, like this image is not found. Copy and sorry, save and then refresh. So image is loaded here. Okay, so this is all about HTML and documents, and this is basic about HTML, how we can implement. And thank you guys for watching this video. So if you like this video, do subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys.